In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rollups in Notion. Rollups are a powerful way to pull information from related databases and summarize it automatically. Think of them as a window that looks into another database and brings back exactly the detail you need, whether that's a total, a count, an average, or a specific value. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. Click Login, and once you're signed in, head into your workspace. From there, navigate to the page that contains the database with an existing relation. A relation is the link between two databases, like connecting a project's database to a task's database, so the rollup knows where to pull information from. If you don't already have a relation set up, make sure that's in place first, so the rollup has something to reference. Inside your database, look toward the top of your columns and click Add Property, or use the small plus icon to create a new property. In the property type list, choose Rollup. This tells Notion that this column will gather data from your related database rather than storing a value directly. After creating it, click the Rollup item to open its settings panel. Here, you'll first select the relation you want to use. This points the rollup to the connected database. Next, choose the specific property you want to pull from in that related database. For example, you might select a number field like estimated hours, a status field like done, a date, or even a checkbox. Now choose how the rollup calculates the data. Notion offers flexible options depending on the property type you selected. For numbers, you can sum, average, or find the minimum or maximum. For checkboxes, you can count how many are checked. For dates, you can pull the earliest or latest. For text or select properties, you can bring back the values themselves or count them. The choice you make here determines exactly how the rollup summarizes your related items. Once you confirm those choices, the rollup column will populate automatically for each row, reflecting whatever is linked via your relation. This is great for tracking totals per project, counting open tasks, or pulling the most recent update at a glance. If your results don't look right, double check that the correct relation and property are selected and that your rows actually have related items. That's it, your rollup is ready and working for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.